What's up, everyone? Let's talk about structuring your life. So first things first, we all need to have some sort of profession or job that we do. I want to talk about the bulk, the meat, the potatoes, the free time that you have in your life. What you're living for. I believe there are 4 key factors that you need to have to utilize your free time to have a healthy, balanced, and enjoyable life. So the 2 categories that I split up this free time in is your relaxing free time and your routine free time. So the first one in our relaxing free time is your own relaxation time. This could be watching TV, listening to music, reading. I believe that we all need time to ourselves. This ties into the second part of our relaxation free time, which is our social life. You do need time to yourself to kind of unwind, even self-reflect on certain things going on, as well as seeing friends, whether it be because you want to talk about what's going on in your life, or just to simply enjoy the finer things, like fighting over board games. Too much time to yourself can get very lonely. Too much time in a social environment could neglect things going on in yourself that you want to try to figure out. So now we go into the routine aspect of your free time. So the first part in our routine free time is self-care. Brushing your teeth, waking up in the morning and doing some stretches, working out, anything that involves taking care of yourself and taking time out of your day to do it. And then the last part of your routine free time is your hustle. Let's talk about the first 3 points that we have. We have time to ourselves, time we spend with friends, and time we spend taking care of ourselves. A lot of people typically have a very good structure for these 3 types of their free time. There comes a point, whether it be in the future or in the distant future, that you start to think about what you've done or what you want to do and think to yourself, was there more I could have done? Could I have started that project? Could I have finally started that podcast, that YouTube channel? Is there anything that you could put time to during your week or during your day that can be put towards some type of project or work that you're doing? You don't want to have something that's completely occupying your time, that's letting your own self-care, your social life, or even the time to yourself slip away. Granted, it is important to note that as much as you want to maintain a balance of these 4 times, sometimes you need to sacrifice certain areas if you feel like others need focus on. This is especially big for your hustle side gig. Some people will go away for 3 to 4 months to complete the project they want to complete. Sometimes you need time to yourself. You just need a week to be away from everyone, to get back to your core, to realize what you want and how you want to live your life. Either way, if you feel like anything is spiraling out of control with your life, focus on these 4 aspects of your free time. Try to prioritize and figure out what you can do to get yourself back into a positive groove. If for whatever reason your profession or your job is affecting these 4 aspects of your free time, well, coming up next week, I got a video that I think you'll like. In that video, we're gonna talk about your dream life. But until next time, please leave a like, please subscribe, comment on what you do during one of these aspects of your free time that really helps you. Feel free to share your side hustle. Let's inspire others to go out and achieve what they want to achieve. As always, I hope this helps. We'll see you next time.